Hello, welcome to UPSC PYQ Chronicles. This is the series on environment, where we'll be discussing all the questions which are being asked by UPSC in various examinations. This is the 14th video of this series, and the topic of the day is Environmental Pollutions Air Quality Index. So let's get started. Magnetite particles suspended to cause of the neurodegenerative problems are generated as environmental pollutants from which of the following? Brakes and motor vehicles, yes, this is one of the generator. Engines of the motor vehicle, yes, this is also one of the generators. Microwave stores within the homes, this is not. Whereas the power plants, yes, this is one of the generator. Telephone lines, and this is not. So 1, 2 and 4 is the answer. 1, 2 and 4. Which of the following are the reasons bar factors for exposure to benzene pollution? Automobile exhaust, yes. Tobacco smoke, yes. Wood burning, yes. But whereas using of varnished wood furniture, using of the products made from polyurethane, these are not the reasons. Which of the following can be found as the pollutants in the drinking water in some parts of India? It's the arsenic, fluoride and the uranium which are being found. The sorbitol and the formaldehyde are not been found. Many chewing gums found in the market are considered as the source of the environmental pollutions. This is a correct statement. Many chewing gums contain plastic as the gum base. This is also a correct statement. And the plastic is responsible for the environmental pollution. Hence, this statement becomes the correct reason for the statement 1. So, answer is option A. Consider the following statement regarding the mercury pollution. Gold mining activity is a source of mercury pollution in the world. Coal-based thermal power plants cause mercury pollution. There is no known safe level of the exposure to mercury. How many of the above statements are correct? It is the only 1 and 2 which are correct, whereas the third statement is wrong, because this says there is no known safe level of the exposure to mercury, but whereas there is a known safe level for the mercury exposure. Consider the following statement concerning environmental pollutions. Nuclear explosion causes radioactive radiations. Earthquake do not cause tsunami. Acid rain is not a major environmental issue. Air pollution has some impact on the meteorology. How many of the above statements are correct? Nuclear explosion causes radioactive radiations. This is a correct statement. Earthquake does not cause a tsunami. No, this is wrong, because earthquake causes tsunami. Acid rain is not a major environmental issue. No, this is also wrong. Acid rain is a major environmental issue. Air pollution has some impact on meteorology. Yes, this is a correct statement. Hence 1 and 4 becomes the answer. Indiscriminate disposal of the used fluorescent electric lamp causes mercury pollution in the environment. Why is mercury used in the manufacturing of these lamps? Mercury is used in these lamps because when the lamp is switched off, the mercury in the lamp causes the emission of the ultraviolet radiations. Which one of the following statement about air pollution caused by the diesel engine is correct? It produces large quantity of the carbon monoxides at the lower temperature and nitrogen oxides at the higher temperature. One of the main cause of the air pollution in the cities is emission from the vehicles like cars and trucks. Cars emit various pollutants which are bad for the human health when inhaled, like nitrogen oxide, yes, this has been emitted. Carbon monoxide, this is also emitted. Carbon dioxide, no, this is not been emitted. Benzene, this is also been emitted. So the answer here becomes 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Which one of the following disease is caused by the cadmium pollution? It is the Itai. Arrange the following fuels in the decreasing order of the air pollution caused by burning of the kilogram of each of them. It is the diesel, followed by petrol, followed by CNG. Which of the following groups of the plants can be used as the indicators of the SO2 pollution of the air? It is the lichens. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, which one of the following is the largest source of the sulfur dioxide emission? It is the power plants using fossil fuels. The Shonya campaign under Niti Aayog is about. It is about improving the air quality. In the study of pollution, SPM refers to. SPM refers to the suspended particle matter. Which one of the following element, that is the metal, pollutes the air of the city having large number of automobiles? It is the lead. Which one of the following is associated with the formation of the brown air in the traffic congested cities? It is the nitrogen oxide. Which one of the following plant is popularly grown along the road for absorbing the vehicular pollutants? It's the bougainvillea. Which one of the following consequences will happen if large quantities of the domestic sewage are continuously discharged into the streams? It is the reduction in the dissolved oxygen level of the stream water can happen. Nitric oxide pollution can lead to which of the following except leaf spotting in the plants? This can occur. Bronchitis related respiratory problems in humans? This can occur. Production of the corrosive gases through the photochemical reaction? This can also happen. Silicosis in the humans? This is not the answer. As per Air Quality Life Index Annual Update 2023, poor air quality decreases the average Indian life expectancy by 6.3 years. Which one of the following is detected and estimated by the pollution check carried out on the motor cars at the service stations? It is the lead and the carbon particles. Green muffler is the plantation along roadside to reduce the noise pollution. Question is of match the following, where we need to match the air pollutants and their effects. The chlorofluorocarbon is been depletion in the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide, this is for acid rain. Lead component, this is for the harmful for human nervous system. Carbon dioxide, the topmost contribution to the greenhouse gas. Which one among the following has been included as a parameter for the first time under National Ambient Air Quality Standards based on the Central Pollution Control Board and the IIT Kanpur research, WHO guidelines and the European Union limits and the practices? It is the ozone. In the context of the WHO air quality guidelines, consider the following statement. The 24-hour means of the PM 2.5 should not exceed 15 microgram per meter cube and the annual mean of PM 2.5 should not exceed 5 microgram per meter cube. This is a correct statement. In a year, the highest level of ozone pollution occurs during the period of inclement weather. No, this is wrong. PM 10 can penetrate the lung barriers and enter the bloodstream. This is also wrong statement. Excessive ozone in the air can trigger asthma. This is a correct statement. So 1 and 4 becomes the answer. According to UNEP, which one of the following are the major components of air pollutants? It is SO2, ozone, CO, NO2. All of these are the major components of the air pollutants. In the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? It is the carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and the sulfur dioxide which are being used. Which one of the following statement correctly defines PM1 particles in the air? It is these are the extremely fine particles of the diameter less than 1 micron. Which one of the following major parameters are considered while deriving the air quality index of an area in India? It is the particulate matter and the sulfur dioxide only. Which one of the following are suggested ways for reducing NOx emission from the stationary sources? It is by reducing the peak temperatures and by minimizing the availability of the oxygen for the reaction for N2. The National Clean Air Program, that is NCAP, aims to reduce particulate matter in at least 1 or 2 cities of India by 20 to 30% by 2024. The base year for the comparison of concentration is 2017. With this, we end all the questions which were being asked by UPSC on the topic of environmental pollutions and air quality index. Thank you.